Oh, there it is, there it is. There it is. I think it's a male because sometimes it's just jumping on the top of some stones and singing. Actually hoping to photograph the wren. I didn't get the chance to do that last time, but I know there is a lot of wrens around these rocks here, so that is what I'm going to try to photograph today. The only issue is it's quite dark in the weather. Even though it's midday, it's not heavy overcast, but it is overcast, but still really dark. So I have no idea how much ISO I need to use to get a proper shutter speed. But I'm out and I have to try. So let's go and look for wren. I see one 20 meters from me there, so let's go and just find a base to put my backpack down and get my camera out and see what I can find. So what I'm looking for here is some pointy rocks, so it's much easier to get a little bit cleaner shots if they're landing on the peak of the rocks there. So, and also some of them are really beautiful with some kind of moss and lichens with different kind of colors. So that would be so nice. That is the perfect thing about this area here. And I know there is a lot of wrens. It's just that I need to be lucky to have someone in the area. But here is the same place I was last year, so I already seen a couple of ones, but still a little bit down under the rocks here, looking for food between the seaweeds. So yeah, I think I'm going to take my camera out here and just sit here and wait. There is one here. As I was taking out my camera off my backpack, a wren just landed around this area here. Not the best background, but I got a little bit film, a little bit shaky though, because I didn't get the tripod up before the bird arrived here. So, but oh, that's so good they are in the area. So I'm going to spend some time here now and just wait it out and see if, yeah, some of the wrens just going to pass by me here. The good thing about the wren that if you are still and not do any sudden movements, they actually tolerate you quite much, and they can come close as they are feeling like. As long as you're staying there, they will decide how close they are coming, and many of the occasion they actually come really close, as long as you are still. This is good, really, really good. And I saw also that my ISO is around 1000 to get 200 of a second, and that's all I need to freeze that little bird there. There is a wren. I think it's a male because sometimes it's just jumping on the top of some stones and singing. So it isn't easy. I'm just constantly trying to find a good place to position myself, and sometimes I'm lucky and sometimes I'm not. The wren is back. It's not a common thing that there is no wind at the coast there. Almost always blowing like crazy, but yeah, so nice when there is calm. Then I had opportunity to do something like this here with the wren. I'm packing and now it's starting to get in a little bit late and I need to go to work, so now I'm going home. I've had a great day here, even though it wasn't too many pictures. I got some pictures, but it was so good to be out, and I hope you enjoy this video as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.